how we doing?
Hey, Bill, that was
Hi.
great.
Good. Okay.
I just want to ask you for another piece of advice.
Sure.
At H, the rehearsal number H, you have A flat moving on to A natural. Yeah, you know, like that is so fast moving on to ordinary. And I wonder if you can do something a little bit more towards so palms, just at that downbeat, so to really change the color of that. You know, it's like from the dark keys, A flat moving on to the A natural sound.
Sure.
So I want you to provide a little bit more support in terms of color.
Okay.
You know, like make a crescendo on that note and then arrive on a brighter color, and then you can bring it back to ordinary if you want to later.
Okay.
But I just want to make sure that color is really rich and nice, and people can be aware of that transition, you know?
Okay, we'll do that.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Mike, that's very light. You can add a little soft pedal too if you want to. Just keep it kind of in the background.
I'm standing on that foot.
Oh, okay. So don't
So I'll just
fall.
play it softer. There.
Yeah, that's good enough.
Okay.
Just that, just a light touch.
That was terrific.
harmonics. So this sounded great.
Nice sound, guys.